Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make cassava cake with custard and cheese toppings. I have here over 2 kilos of fresh cassava, but we will be only using half of it. Firstly, peel the fresh cassavas. There's so many different ways of peeling cassava, and this is my way of doing it. When grating the cassava, you can use any size. It's personal preference. Depends how fine and smooth you want your cassava to be. You can use any grater. Now we're gonna measure 4 cups of cassava. I'm putting 2 cups first on the strainer and slightly drain the liquid. Please note, do not over drain it or else you will end up a dry cassava cake. Just repeat the process until you have exactly 4 cups of cassava. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Add 1 can of condensed milk. Add 1 can of evaporated milk. Add 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Add 2 medium or large eggs. Then mix well. After mixing, prepare your baking tray. Make sure this time you already preheated the oven for 180 degrees. I lightly cover the baking tray with melted butter. We can now pour the mixture. Then level the surface using a spoon. I put a tray underneath for easy transfer. Put in the oven for 180 degrees for 45 minutes. For the custard topping, Add 1/2 cup of coconut milk and evaporated milk and 1 egg. Mix. Pour the custard mixture on top of the cooked cassava and put back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's done and you can add cheese.